In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 153 in Notion, step by step, using simple methods that work in 2026. Error 153 can be frustrating because it usually interrupts your workflow when you're trying to edit or access a page. But the good news is that it's almost always easy to fix. Whether you're using Notion for notes, project management, or team collaboration, this guide will help you get back on track quickly. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should always try when you see error 153 in Notion is simply refreshing the page. This might sound too basic, but in many cases, the error appears because the page didn't load correctly or the connection briefly dropped. If you're on a browser, click the refresh icon or press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. If you're using the Notion desktop app, close the page and reopen it, or restart the app entirely. After refreshing, wait a few seconds and check if the error message disappears. If the page loads normally, then the issue was temporary, and you're good to go. If the error still shows up, move on to the next step. The second method is duplicating the page that's causing the error. This works especially well if the page itself has become corrupted or stuck while syncing. To do this, open the problematic page in Notion, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and select Duplicate. Notion will create an exact copy of the page in your workspace. Open the duplicated page and check if it loads without error 153. If the new page works fine, you can safely delete the original page that was showing the error. This helps reset the page data and often fixes the issue instantly. Next, you'll want to check your internet connection. Error 153 is commonly linked to connectivity problems, especially if your network is unstable or slow. Make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or wired connection. Try opening another website or app to confirm your internet is working properly. If you're on Wi-Fi, consider switching networks or restarting your router. Once your connection is stable, go back to Notion and reload the page to see if the error is gone. After that, it's important to check Notion's sync status. Notion relies heavily on real-time syncing, and if syncing is paused or failing, errors like 153 can appear. Look at the top of the Notion window and see if it says syncing or offline. If it's offline, wait until it reconnects. You can also try fully closing Notion and reopening it to force a fresh sync. Giving it a moment to sync properly can resolve the error without any further steps. If you're still seeing error 153, the next solution is to log out of Notion and log back in. This refreshes your session and clears temporary account issues. Click on Settings, then log out. Once you're logged out, close the app or browser completely. Reopen Notion, log back into your account, and return to the page that was causing the problem. In many cases, this step alone fixes persistent errors. And that's it. By refreshing the page, duplicating the affected page, checking your internet connection and sync status, and logging out and back in, you can fix error 153 in Notion quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, fixes, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.